Welcome back to Healthy Journey, where we help you stay strong, active, and independent no matter your age. After 60, our bodies go through changes. One of the biggest, we start to lose muscle, even if we don't notice it right away. It's called sarcopenia, but don't worry, it's not the end of the story. In this video, we're revealing 5 powerful fruits backed by science that can help rebuild muscle and reverse the effects of aging naturally. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and natural compounds that feed your muscles from the inside out without needing supplements or expensive powders. And be sure to stay with us until the end. We've saved the most surprising fruit for last. You won't believe how much it can do for your energy and strength. Let's dive in. Let's begin with one of nature's most powerful and delicious muscle protectors, tart cherries. These vibrant little red fruits aren't just sweet and tangy. They're a secret weapon in the fight against inflammation, soreness, and age-related muscle loss. Tart cherries are rich in compounds called anthocyanins, natural pigments, that give cherries their deep red hue. But they do more than just look pretty. These antioxidants have been shown to reduce inflammation, especially after exercise, and help muscles recover faster. That's especially important after age 60, when our muscles are more prone to micro tears and inflammation recovery becomes slower and soreness lingers longer. Tart cherries step in to change that story. In fact, several studies, including one published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, have found that tart cherry juice can reduce muscle soreness by up to 49% after resistance training. But even if you're not lifting weights, tart cherries can help. They're perfect for anyone who's starting a new walking routine, doing physical therapy, or simply trying to stay active in daily life. Here's the magic behind it. Tart cherries don't just soothe muscle pain. They also contain melatonin, a hormone that helps you sleep, and that's crucial for muscle recovery. As we age, quality sleep can become harder to come by. But without deep sleep, your muscles don't get the downtime they need to rebuild and strengthen. So how should you use tart cherries in your daily routine? Try 1 or 2 cups of fresh tart cherries as an afternoon snack. Or go with 1 cup of unsweetened tart cherry juice about 30-60 minutes after your walk, workout, or stretching session. Want to get the most out of it? Here's a tip: pair it with a light protein snack, maybe a small handful of almonds or a scoop of plant-based protein in a smoothie. This simple combo helps your body absorb nutrients, better repair muscle tissue more effectively, and recover more quickly from activity, no matter how gentle or advanced. And the benefits don't stop at muscles. Tart cherries are also heart-healthy, joint-friendly, and rich in natural fiber to keep your digestion on track. So the next time you're looking for a smart snack that works with your body, not against it, reach for tart cherries. Small but mighty, these little fruits could be your daily ally in rebuilding strength naturally. Up next, a fruit that's been on every kitchen counter, but few people realize how much it supports muscle function and energy. Stick around for Chapter 2, where we talk about bananas and why they're not just for breakfast anymore. Now that we've covered tart cherries, let's move on to a fruit that's probably already sitting on your kitchen counter: bananas. They're simple, they're affordable, and for aging muscles, they might just be one of the best tools you're not fully using yet. Bananas are often thought of as just a convenient snack, but these golden fruits are loaded with muscle-supporting nutrients, especially for those of us over 60. First, let's talk potassium. One medium banana has about 422 milligrams of it, nearly 10% of your daily recommended amount. Why does that matter? Because potassium is critical for muscle function. It keeps your muscles contracting properly and prevents those nasty leg cramps that often come with age. Without enough potassium, muscles can become weaker, coordination can drop, and painful cramps can strike more often, especially at night or after exercise. Next up is magnesium, another unsung hero for healthy aging. It helps regulate muscle contractions and supports the energy production needed for daily movement, from walking to lifting groceries. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which helps your body convert food into usable energy. It also plays a key role in protein metabolism, which is essential for muscle building and repair, especially after the age of 60. But there's something else bananas have that's often overlooked: resistant starch. Resistant starch is a type of carbohydrate that acts like fiber. It feeds the healthy bacteria in your gut, which in turn helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively, including protein and minerals that fuel muscle strength. That makes bananas an especially smart choice before or after physical activity. Whether you're taking a brisk walk doing resistance bands or gardening bananas, give your muscles the fuel they need without a sugar crash. So how should you use bananas to support your strength and recovery? Option 1. Eat one medium banana about 30-60 minutes before walking or light exercise to help power your movement. Option 2. Eat it after activity to replenish potassium and assist muscle recovery. Option 3. Blend it into a smoothie with almond butter and plant protein powder. It's quick, delicious, and delivers fiber, healthy fats, and muscle-repairing protein in one go. And here's a bonus tip. If you're dealing with digestive issues or poor appetite, bananas are gentle on the stomach and can help keep you nourished without feeling too full. They're also portable and peelable, perfect for travel walks or days when you just need something fast and nourishing. Now, let's be clear, bananas aren't a miracle cure. But when included regularly in your diet, they can support your muscle health, boost your energy, and reduce post-activity fatigue. So whether you're heading out for a walk, getting back into strength training, or just trying to stay active, don't overlook the power of this everyday fruit. It's affordable, it's accessible, and it's effective. Bananas can be one of the simplest ways to fuel stronger, healthier aging. Coming up next, a small green fruit packed with more vitamin C than an orange, and it's a collagen-boosting powerhouse. Stick around as we explore the benefits of kiwis in Chapter 3. So far, we've explored how tart cherries help fight inflammation and how bananas power your movement. But what about rebuilding the structure inside your muscles? That's where this little green powerhouse comes in: kiwis. Kiwis might be small, but they pack a massive punch when it comes to supporting muscle strength, tendon health, and tissue repair, especially for older adults experiencing joint stiffness or slower recovery. Why are kiwis so powerful? It all starts with vitamin C. One medium kiwi contains over 70 milligrams of vitamin C, more than an entire orange. That's over 100% of your daily value in a single fruit. And vitamin C isn't just for your immune system. It's absolutely essential for collagen production, which is the protein that keeps your muscles connected to your bones via tendons, ligaments, and fascia. As we age, collagen production naturally decreases, and this can lead to weaker joints, sagging skin, and slower recovery from even simple activity. Kiwis help rebuild that structure from the inside out so your muscles and tendons can stay strong and supported, whether you're stretching, walking, or lifting light weights. But vitamin C is only the beginning. Kiwis also contain a unique enzyme called actinidin, a natural compound that helps your body break down and absorb protein more efficiently. That's important because digesting protein well is half the battle. You can eat all the protein in the world, but if your body can't process it properly, your muscles won't get what they need to grow and repair. And there's more. Kiwis are a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols, which help reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in age-related muscle breakdown. That makes kiwis an ideal fruit for seniors dealing with joint pain, post-activity soreness, or those who just want to feel more resilient and energetic day to day. So how can you add kiwis to your daily routine? Option 1. Enjoy 2 kiwis per day, ideally in the morning. Eating them on an empty stomach may help boost absorption of their powerful enzymes and nutrients. Option 2. Blend kiwis into a smoothie with spinach plant yogurt and a scoop of protein. The tart flavor mixes beautifully with banana and almond milk. Option 3. Pair kiwis with Greek-style plant yogurt or coconut yogurt for a light digestion-friendly dessert that also supports immune health. And remember, the skin of the kiwi is also edible and packed with fiber. If you're comfortable with the texture, just give it a good rinse and eat it whole to get the maximum benefit. If you're recovering from injury, dealing with joint stiffness, or simply want to stay mobile, kiwis deserve a spot in your daily lineup. They're compact, convenient, and incredibly powerful. And one more thing, kiwis also help support restful sleep thanks to their natural serotonin content. And we all know that muscles repair best while you sleep. So if you're looking for a fruit that supports your strength, flexibility, digestion, and sleep, kiwis might be your new daily essential. Next up, we'll look at a fruit you may already love but didn't know was fueling your mitochondria and slowing muscle decline. Stick with us as we explore the surprising power of grapes in Chapter 4. When it comes to building strength after 60, most people focus on protein, and yes, that's essential. But there's another side of the story that often gets overlooked: cellular energy. And when we say energy, we're not just talking about avoiding that afternoon slump. We mean muscle energy, the kind that fuels movement, powers recovery, and keeps you going with stamina and strength as you age. That's where grapes come in. These juicy little fruits are more than just a snack. They're packed with compounds that help your body generate energy at the cellular level. And at the heart of it all, a powerful antioxidant called resveratrol. Resveratrol is found in the skin of red and black grapes. It's what gives them their rich color and even richer benefits. Think of it as a tiny guardian of your mitochondria, the energy factories inside your cells. Over time, especially after 60, our mitochondria start to slow down. That leads to muscle fatigue, slower recovery, and sometimes that frustrating feeling of being tired even after a full night's sleep. But when you nourish your mitochondria, everything changes. Resveratrol helps stimulate new mitochondria and protect the ones you already have. This means your muscles get more oxygen, more energy, and recover faster without the crash. But grapes do more than energize. They also help your muscles absorb nutrients more effectively by improving something called insulin sensitivity. This is vital, especially for older adults. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using insulin. That can lead to slower muscle growth, more belly fat, and even early signs of prediabetes. Research shows that resveratrol can improve insulin sensitivity in older adults, helping muscles take in more fuel from the food you eat, so it doesn't get stored as fat. And let's not forget about inflammation. Grapes are full of polyphenols that help fight low-grade chronic inflammation, a major cause of muscle wasting in aging bodies. Here's another bonus: grapes support brain function and memory. Why is that important for muscle health? Because everything starts in the brain: motivation, coordination, balance, and movement. Now let's talk about how to enjoy grapes for muscle energy and overall wellness. Option 1. Enjoy 1 cup of fresh red or black grapes daily. They're portable, hydrating, and easy to digest. Great for snacking before or after a walk or workout. Option 2. Freeze grapes for a cooling sweet treat. They make a perfect post-exercise refreshment, especially in warm weather. Option 3. Add grapes to your morning oatmeal fruit salad or grain bowls. Their natural sugars help deliver nutrients into your muscles faster after activity. Option 4. Try pairing grapes with walnuts, which are high in omega-3s. This combo is amazing for joint health and muscle recovery. Option 5. Blend them into a smoothie with spinach and plant protein powder for a muscle-boosting, energy-lifting green drink. And what about grape juice or wine? If you're drinking 100% grape juice with no added sugar, a half cup can still deliver some resveratrol. But whole grapes are better. You get the fiber, less sugar, and more nutrients. As for red wine, it does contain resveratrol, but not in large enough amounts to be a health strategy. 1 glass now and then is fine, but don't rely on it to fuel your muscles. Grapes are more than just sweet. They're smart fuel for your mitochondria, your muscles, and your mind. So the next time you're planning your snacks, think about what you're feeding your cells. Because when your cells are energized, you're energized. And that energy is what helps you walk longer, lift easier, and recover faster. Up next in our final chapter, we reveal the most surprising fruit on our list, one that supports hormonal balance, muscle building, and even eye health. Stay tuned as we dive into the golden goodness of mangoes. We've covered fruits that fight inflammation, restore collagen, power your mitochondria, and fuel your workouts. But what about helping your body build new muscle and regulate key hormones after 60? That's where this golden tropical treasure steps in: the mango. Mangoes aren't just juicy and delicious. They're anabolic fruits, meaning they help support muscle-building processes naturally. And they do it through a powerful mix of vitamins, antioxidants, and plant-based compounds that your body craves, especially as you age. Let's start with vitamin A, something mangoes are loaded with. This vitamin doesn't just support your vision, it's critical for cell growth and protein synthesis, which are both essential for maintaining and rebuilding lean muscle tissue. But mangoes go even further. They also contain vitamin C and vitamin E, both of which fight oxidative stress, protect your muscles from breakdown, and help maintain youthful, elastic skin and connective tissue. One of the most surprising benefits of mango is its impact on hormonal balance, especially testosterone. Testosterone naturally declines with age, not just in men, but in women too. And when that happens, you lose muscle faster, experience more fatigue, and recover more slowly. Mangoes help by providing nutrients that support testosterone production and activity without any artificial supplements. Another big benefit, mangoes are rich in natural sugars, but they're not the kind that spike your blood sugar and crash your energy. Instead, their sugars combine with fiber, vitamins, and polyphenols to provide a gentle boost in insulin, which can actually help deliver amino acids into your muscles right after exercise. In fact, pairing mango with a protein source post-workout can maximize recovery, trigger muscle growth, and help slow down sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. But mangoes don't just stop at muscle. They also support eye health, which is a crucial part of safe mobility and exercise as we age. They contain zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that protects your eyes from blue light and age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in adults over 60. And let's not forget digestive support. Mangoes are high in soluble fiber, which feeds healthy gut bacteria, vital for nutrient absorption, reducing inflammation, and maintaining a healthy weight. So let's talk about how you can enjoy mango to support your muscle health. Option 1. Eat 1/2 of a large mango, or about 1 cup of diced mango as a mid-morning or post-exercise snack. The natural sugars help spike insulin slightly, making it easier for muscles to absorb nutrients. Option 2. Blend mango into a recovery smoothie with plant-based protein powder, almond or oat milk, and a tablespoon of chia seeds for healthy fats and extra fiber. Option 3. Add a mango to your salads or grain bowls with spinach, avocado, and quinoa. This is a great way to boost your protein absorption and add a refreshing twist. Option 4. For a quick, no-fuss dessert, freeze mango chunks and enjoy them like sorbet. It's sweet, hydrating, and good for your muscles. Smart add-on. Add chia seeds or flax seeds. These provide omega-3s, which reduce inflammation and support hormonal health, making mango even more effective. Mangoes aren't just tropical treats. They're a functional food one that supports strength hormones, digestion, vision, and energy all in one sweet bite. They work best when combined with intentional movement, clean hydration, and restful sleep, a complete strategy for aging stronger, not weaker. So if you're looking for a sweet way to fuel your recovery, support your hormones, and rebuild from the inside out, don't overlook the mango. It might just be your most powerful post-60 superfruit yet. Coming up next, we'll wrap things up with a quick recap and a powerful reminder that you don't need powders or pills to age strong. You just need the right foods and a little guidance. We're here to help. You've just taken a powerful step on your journey to aging strong naturally. Let's do a quick recap of the 5 fruits we explored today that are scientifically proven to help rebuild muscle and fight age-related muscle loss. Each one offers unique benefits to support your muscle health after 60. And here's the best part: you don't need to overhaul your entire diet or invest in expensive supplements. These fruits are easy to find, simple to prepare, and enjoyable to eat. They fit right into the lifestyle you already live. So whether you're looking to stay active, recover from a health setback, or just feel more energetic each day, start with what's on your plate. Because every bite of the right food is a vote for a stronger, healthier you. Before we go, we asked a board-certified nutritionist to share one piece of advice for anyone over 60 looking to preserve strength and mobility through food. The key is consistency. It's not about one magic fruit, it's about building small, sustainable habits. Choose 2 or 3 of these fruits and rotate them into your week. Pair them with protein, stay hydrated, and move your body daily. Over time, these small steps lead to big changes. Here at Healthy Journey, we believe that aging should never mean giving up your strength, joy, or freedom. These 5 fruits are just the beginning. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. There's more coming your way, simple science-backed tips to help you thrive in every season of life. Remember, you don't need powders or pills, just smart choices. Every bite is a step toward strength, and every day is another chance to build the life you deserve.